Formatting SD card in a Samsung phone or any Android phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will show you exactly how you guys can do it. So in every phone, you will see that there is a file manager application in the Android. So if you're using Samsung, Redmi, Realme, Huawei, or any Android phone that you want to format SD card on, all you have to do is to make sure you find out the file manager application. And once you do that, all you have to do is to open it up. You will see the SD card option right in front of you. So when you go to the files, there will be two storage shown. One is storage, which is referred as internal storage. The next one is the SD card. So all you have to do is to hover over the SD card option, and in the options you will see format button. Just go ahead and click on format button. By clicking it, you will be able to format your SD card. So this is pretty much simple. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.